Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and when you're searching for the perfect card for that perfect person, it can sometimes be a challenge. So let me tell you why I love this one so much from Sleazy Greetings. Purchasing a card that you can't touch can feel a little overwhelming because you're not really sure if it's going to be well made. This card from Sleazy Greetings is very substantial, thick, and of high quality paper. And the envelope is great too, but what really stands out to me is the fact that they've included this hard piece of cardboard in the packaging, which means your card is going to arrive one piece without any bends or folds in it. So it's as if you were at the store purchasing it. So it's really convenient to be able to buy something online and have it delivered and have it actually arrive in one piece. The material on the inside, the surface of the card is not glossy, which means it's extremely easy to write on. It's thick so it doesn't bleed through, and I love the fact that you've got lots of room because the card is completely blank on the inside. And of course, I love what it says on the outside. I wanted a funny card that was going to survive being mailed and not seem flimsy, and also give me plenty of room to write everything I wanted. So this card from Sleazy Greetings really has it all for me, and that is my point of view.